Welcome, my name is Shara Johnson and I am the Canvas Enthusiast. In this short video, we are going to talk all about announcements. Let's get started. We're going to go into my art class today to show you a little bit about announcements. Now, in my art class on the left-hand side, we're going to navigate to announcements. It is in your course navigation. Announcements are a really great way to blast information quickly. So whether you have a parent night coming up, you have state testing, and you want to remind students to get a good night's sleep and eat well. Maybe it's that you have a quiz coming up on Friday, or Q and you are getting married. Whatever it is, announcements are the way that you can do that. We're going to go ahead and create one together by adding plus announcement in the top right-hand side. We're going to give this a title. And we're going to enter our message. Magic. Now, the settings of the announcements are really great. First of all, I can actually assign this to just one section. So say, for example, that something is only applying to my first period art class, I can definitely set it to just one section. Or I can say I want this to go to everyone. I can add an attachment if I need to do that. In addition, I have the ability to delay the posting. So if you're a teacher like me that likes to kind of get things done a little bit beforehand, I can create this and then actually have it post maybe later on the 14th. I can choose the date and the time, and then it will post automatically. I can allow users to comment. So sometimes when I was working with my students, I would post something that was really important and I would put a little asterisk at the end and say, please let me know that you read this. And they would all respond with, read it, got it, whatever. I've also seen people use this kind of as a bell ringer. So they might, if it's not graded, they might have a prompt that they want the students to respond on, and they might have one for every day of the week, and students can respond. Just another way to interact with your class. The other feature you'll notice below, it says users must post before seeing replies. So for example, if I teach Jack, Jimmy, and John, John has to first comment before he can see Jack and Jimmy's response to that announcement. Enable podcast feed would be if you are subscribed to an RSS podcast feed, you can choose to have this added to that subscription. The last one is we can allow liking. Very Facebook-like, gives a thumbs up. You can have it so only the grader, which would be the teacher in this case, can like it. And you can also sort by likes. So those responses can be sorted and liked as well. That's a little bit about announcements. We're going to go ahead and save it at the very bottom. Now, one of the things I do want to show you is we have the ability to scroll your announcements on the homepage. Now, what I mean by that is if I go to my homepage, and actually I'm going to edit this really quick because I said that I was going to delay the posting, but I want to show you what this looks like. So I'm going to get back in, edit. I'm going to uncheck that box and I'm going to press save. Okay, so I can scroll this at the top of my homepage. So what I would like to have happen is when my students log in, they see my homepage, but right above that, they would see the announcements scrolling at the top. To do that, we go to Settings. We're going to look at the Course Details page, which is the very first tab, and it is hidden. If we go all the way to the bottom, you're going to see where it says More Options. We are going to scroll and you'll see where it says Show Recent Announcements on Course Homepage. I'm going to choose to maybe scroll 2. Now, you can scroll up to 15, but let me tell you, that's a lot. So I'm going to scroll 2 and I'm going to say Update Course Details. Now, if I go and redirect back to the home page, I should see my announcement at the top of the page. I love this because it once again gives you that one-stop shop. So students log in, they recognize that there's a new announcement, they can select the announcement, and they can get to it automatically from their home page. So use announcements wherever you have the need to quickly blast information to kids. I hope this video was helpful. I hope I see you in another Canvas Enthusiast video soon. Have a great day.